This is Earl from Streamline Systems. Today we'll be showing you how to take care of your Dragonfly CCTV cleaning kit. Before using the Dragonfly, ensure that the battery is fully charged. Unzip the backpack to expose the pump enclosure and partially slide it out. Plug the charger into a 230 volt mains power supply and switch it on. Insert the battery plug into the socket on the pump enclosure. The blue charging light on the pump enclosure will illuminate. Open the top flap of the backpack to expose the water reservoir. Fill the reservoir with deionized water and screw the cap on securely. Unzip the backpack to expose the pump enclosure. Press the power on button, which will illuminate green when in the on position. Activate the press button fob to confirm that the pump is working. The red light on the pump enclosure will illuminate and the sound of the pump will be heard. Fit the backpack onto your back and adjust the webbing straps until it feels comfortable. Connect the hose from the backpack to the connection attached to the pole. Press the button on the fob until water sprays out of the spray tip. Pay close attention to the amount of water which flows from the spray tip. Extend the pole and dampen the camera with a short spray of water. Do not over wet the glass. Buff the camera with the microfiber mop, wetting the lens if necessary. The spray tip may drip after releasing the fob button. Take precautionary measures if working above water sensitive areas. The spray tip has a very small orifice and will easily block if dirt is allowed to enter the reservoir. Make sure that only clean water is used and make sure the reservoir is not used for other purposes which may cause contamination. To switch off the Dragonfly system after completing your cleaning task, simply press and hold the power button on the pump control box. Disconnect the pole from the backpack unit. Empty the reservoir after each use. Store the battery charger separately in a dry place. Wash the microfiber pads after each use and allow them to dry.